If you've never had oven-broiled pompano fish like this before, prepare to be obsessed. Golden on the outside, buttery and juicy on the inside. This fish is packed with citrus garlic flavor in every bite. And if you're new here, welcome to Rabia Unfolded, where we make simple recipes that taste expensive. Let me show you exactly how I made this beauty here. Start with your cleaned and prepped pompano fish that has been washed and gutted. Okay, for those ingredients here, I'm going to be adding them in the description box below, so please feel free to go ahead and check the exact measurements there. Okay, let's get started. This fish has already been washed and gutted, so let's go ahead and pat it dry completely so every bit of seasoning can stick on it beautifully. And if you'd like to see exactly how I prep my fish, I have that video linked for you, please. Now season generously with smoked paprika, black pepper, and salt.
From my kitchen to your screen, little moments in between. Love is in the things I do. Every flavor tells the truth. From Cameroon roots so deep to the life I get.
Make sure you season every part, including the inside cavity and around the head, because flavors should reach every bite, right?
Life I get to keep. Every story gently told. This is life, this is home.
Set that aside and let's prep the magic. Thinly slice your lemon and orange, keeping some slices for stuffing and some for the baking tray. Then squeeze the remaining juice from both fruits. As we'll be needing every drop of that bright citrus goodness in this dish.
Rabia Unfolded, where my world comes alive. African warmth in every bite, global flavor, real life. Unfolded.
Next, slice your onions nice and thin.
Simple moments fully shown, from my hands to your heart. Welcome home.
Now open up the fish and stuff the cavity with fresh lemon slices and onions. This infuses the fish from the inside while it broils and keeps everything fragrant and juicy. For the garlic butter glaze, melt butter with a little olive oil over low heat. Add in freshly crushed garlic, and immediately, guys, your kitchen will start smelling like a 5-star restaurant. Oh, it smells so amazing. Pour in the fresh lemon juice and orange juice. This citrus combo is the secret that takes the fish to another level. Oh. Then add dried thyme and some chicken broth mix and give it a good stir. And guys, just take a look at that glossy garlic butter sauce. Now line your baking tray with parchment paper. Then layer the bottom with your remaining orange slices, lemon slices, and onions. Place your fish right on top. Then generously brush that garlic butter citrus glaze all over the fish. Both sides. Inside the cavity. And just everywhere. Don't be shy here, beautiful souls. because this is where the flavor lives.
We're African
Eh, eh, mwah.
meets global flavor.
Now broil in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the size of your fish. And there we have it, my beautiful souls. A pompano fish is perfectly broiled, golden, glossy, juicy, and bursting with buttery citrus garlic flavor. You can serve it with fried plantains, yam fries, potatoes, salads, or whatever you love. But honestly, beautiful souls, this fish here is the star of the plate. And now for the taste test. This right here is absolutely incredible. It's tender, flaky, buttery, citrusy, garlicky perfection. Ah, this is one of those meals your family would ask for again and again. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to make better fish at home. And let me know in the comments, what would you serve this fish with? Thanks so much for watching, my beautiful souls. And until next time, I'll see you in the next simple but taste expensive recipe of Rabia Unfolded. Cheers.